Will artificial intelligence take away jobs? Everyone's telling you AI is coming for your job, and you need to panic right now. But what if the people screaming the loudest about this are the ones who understand it the least? Look, I get why you're worried. Every day there's another headline about AI replacing workers, another story about chatbots doing jobs humans used to do, another prediction about millions of unemployed people. But here's what nobody's telling you. The real story is way more complicated than robots steal jobs and everyone's doomed. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what's actually happening with AI and employment, which jobs are genuinely at risk and which ones aren't, the new opportunities being created that nobody talks about, and most importantly, what you actually need to do to protect yourself. Because the truth isn't as simple as the fearmongers want you to believe. The panic versus reality. Let's start by calling out the hysteria. Yes, AI is changing the job market, but every technology revolution has done that. When cars replaced horses, people freaked out about all the jobs that would disappear. When computers showed up in offices, everyone panicked about unemployment. The internet was supposed to destroy entire industries. And you know what? Some jobs did vanish, but way more jobs were created than destroyed. Here's what's actually different this time. AI is advancing faster than previous technologies. It can handle not just physical tasks, but cognitive ones too. Writing, analysis, creativity, things we thought only humans could do. That's new, and it's why people are scared. But speed doesn't change the fundamental pattern. Technology eliminates certain tasks while creating new opportunities. What AI actually does well. AI is really good at specific things, processing huge amounts of data quickly, spotting patterns, doing repetitive tasks without getting tired, following rules precisely. Notice what's on that list? The boring stuff. The mind-numbing work that makes people hate their jobs anyway. Customer service chatbots can handle simple questions, so human agents focus on complex problems. AI can scan legal documents, so lawyers spend time on strategy instead of reading thousands of pages. It can analyze medical scans, so doctors concentrate on treatment plans. The pattern is clear. AI handles the grunt work, while humans do the interesting parts. The jobs actually at risk. But let's be honest, some jobs really are at risk. Data entry? Yeah, that's going away. Basic bookkeeping? AI can do it faster and more accurately. Simple customer service? Chatbots are getting good enough. Routine legal research? AI tools are replacing junior lawyers doing basic document review. Basic content writing. AI can pump out simple articles and product descriptions. If your job is purely repetitive, following clear rules with no human judgment needed, you should be worried. Not because you're definitely losing your job tomorrow, but because you need to start thinking about what's next. The jobs that aren't going anywhere. Now here's the good news. Tons of jobs are safe, and not just for a few years. Jobs that require real human connection, emotional intelligence, complex decision-making, or genuine creativity aren't getting automated anytime soon. Teachers aren't being replaced because education is about mentorship and inspiration, not just information delivery. Therapists and counselors? AI can't provide real empathy or understand human emotions deeply enough. Skilled trades like plumbing, electrical work, carpentry? These need physical problem-solving in unpredictable environments. AI struggles with that. Managers and leaders? Leadership requires understanding people, navigating politics, making judgment calls in messy situations. Nurses and caregivers? Healthcare is deeply human work. Creative professionals who do original work. AI can assist, but can't match genuine human creativity. What's being created? Here's what almost nobody talks about. AI is creating entirely new job categories right now. Prompt engineers who know how to get good results from AI systems are making six figures. AI ethics officers, making sure these systems are fair and safe. Machine learning operations specialists, keeping AI running smoothly. Data scientists and analysts are in huge demand because companies are drowning in data they need help understanding. But it's not just tech jobs. Every traditional role is evolving. Marketing professionals now use AI tools, but still need human creativity and strategy. HR people use AI for screening, but still need judgment for hiring and culture. Writers use AI for research and drafts, but provide the voice and ideas. The jobs aren't disappearing, they're transforming. The real shift happening. The truth is, AI isn't taking jobs. It's changing what jobs look like. Instead of spending all day on repetitive tasks, people focus on higher-level work. Instead of being replaced, workers who learn to use AI as a tool become way more productive. The people who will struggle aren't those whose jobs can be automated. They're the ones who refuse to adapt. Think about it like this. When Excel came out, it didn't eliminate accountants. It eliminated the need for accountants to spend hours doing calculations by hand. Accountants who learned Excel became more valuable. Those who refused got left behind. AI is the same thing on a bigger scale. What you actually need to do. So what's your move? First, stop panicking and start learning. Get familiar with AI tools in your field. If you write, try AI writing assistants. If you analyze data, explore AI analysis tools. If you do design work, play with AI image generators. Understanding what AI can and can't do makes you more valuable, not less. Second, double down on human skills. Work on communication, creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking. These are things AI can't replicate. The more you develop these, more irreplaceable you become. Third, stay curious and keep learning. The skills valuable today might not be valuable in 5 years. People who adapt and learn continuously will always have opportunities. Those who stop growing get stuck. Fourth, think about how to use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. The workers winning right now aren't fighting AI. They're using it to do their jobs better and faster. The bottom line, will AI take away jobs? Some, yes. Mostly the ones involving repetitive tasks that nobody enjoys anyway. Will it create new jobs? Absolutely. More than it eliminates, if history is any guide. Will it change how we work? Definitely. That's already happening. But here's the real answer. AI will take away jobs from people who don't adapt. People who refuse to learn new tools, who resist change, who think their job will stay the same forever. Those people are at risk, not because AI is unstoppable, but because they're choosing to be left behind. For everyone else, AI is a tool, a powerful one that can make you better at what you do. The future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans with AI versus humans without AI. Pick your side carefully, because that choice determines whether AI is your replacement or your superpower. See exactly which jobs AI will create next in the video popping up now.